Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Afiq and today I will be sharing my experience with the Denco DM2000 Pro dental operating microscopes after 6 months of regular use in my clinic. I'm here to share my quick thoughts. From its optical clarity and economics to its durability and illumination systems, it's a tool that I can strongly recommend to any dental professional seeking precision and reliability. The microscope is solidly built and easy to adjust. The lens delivers a sharp image, clear visuals with magnifications ranging from 4 times to 25 times. The LED illumination is bright, adjustable, and perfect for various procedures, especially in endodontic treatment. It's comfortable to use even for long hours with the smooth adjustments and excellent positioning flexibility. In addition, the recording HD camera has been great for documentations and patient educations. So here is a quick look at endodontic case I performed using the DM2000 Pro. You can see how the clarity and precision of the microscope made a huge difference, especially in navigating complex canals and ensuring complete cleaning and shaping. Thanks for watching.